Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to work a wrapped puff. Let's go.
All right, I know you are just going to love this stitch. It's a really fun variation on a puff stitch that it could be used throughout the body of a pattern, but also makes just a really great and stunning border. For supplies, you're going to need any scrap yarn you have laying around and a matching hook. I'm using a nice heavy bulky weight yarn here and my USK 6.5 millimeter hook. The wrapped puff is a 1 stitch repeat, so we're going to put it on the edge of a little bit of fabric. So go ahead, pause the video, work up just a few stitches and a few rows so that we can add the wrapped puff on the top. All right, to get started, we're going to chain 1, go ahead and give ourselves a little turn, and then we're going to start this stitch just like we would a puff stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert into our first stitch, pull up a loop, and then do that again. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on our hook. Now, those are our puff stitches. Now we're going to do the wrapping. This is fun, but takes a little practice. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your yarn to the front, wrap it around your hook to the back, and then do that one more time. Bring it to the front, wrap it around into the back, and you can see now I've got those 2 loops around the 5 loops that are on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and carefully pull through all 5 of those loops to complete my puff stitch and chain 1. And then since this is a 1 stitch repeat, we're just going to move on to the next stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, 5 loops on my hook, grab it, and we're going to wrap front to back and around. You're going counterclockwise here twice. You kind of get used to what it takes to hold on to your hook and wrap. You can gain some real speed with this. Yarn over, pull through all 5 of my loops, chain 1. And then you just keep going down the row just like that. Create your puff, hold your hook, wrap twice, pull through all 5 loops on your hook, and chain 1, and you're ready for your next stitch. This does take a little practice to get these loops even, but I think you'll find with a little practice, this creates a really great texture that you're gonna love adding to all sorts of projects.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love it if you would like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out any information in the future. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy crafting!